Hi everyone, welcome back to Geeks. In this video, we'll be discussing the problem play with or. To be honest, this is a very easy problem and we'll be learning about bit manipulation in this problem. So, play with or. Basically, in this problem, we'll learn about the or operator of the bit manipulation. So, if you see, the problem says that you will be originally given an array ARR in which the ith element of the array will be ARR of I. And what we need to do is, for every element ARR of I, we need to make it equal to ARR of I or ARR of I plus 1. So basically there is one OR operation that is there in bitwise, which is also indicated by this sign. Okay. So basically what we have to do is, if there is an element, right? So we have to perform OR operation. Now what is bitwise OR? If you have 0, you do 0 or 0, then you will get what? You will get 0. If you have got 1, you do 1 or with 0, then you will get 1. If you have let's say 0, you do or with 1, then you will get what? You will get 1. If you have 1, you do or with 1, then you will get what? 1. So you can see the scenario that whenever the bit, like whenever you are doing the OR, so whenever the bits are, both the bits are 0, then you get 0 as a result. Whenever the bits are what? Whenever any one of the bits, at least one of the bits is 1, then the result is 1. This is what is the OR operator. So if you will see here, let us say that if I have got 5 and I have got 2 with me. Okay. So if I have got 5 and 2, so 5 is what? 5 is 1, 0, 1. What is 2? 2 is basically 0, 1, 0. If I do OR of both, then 1 and 0, OR will be 1. 0 or 1 will be 1. 1 or 0 will be 1. So you can see that I am getting 1, 1, 1. That is nothing but actually 7. So that is 5 or 2 is equal to 7. So in this problem, they are saying that what you have to do is, for any ith element, if its I plus 1th element exists, then what you should do is, you should update the ith element with ARR of I or with ARR of I plus 1. That is all that we have to do in this particular problem here, right? And like when it is not possible, you have to understand that. So if you will see, let's say if we are standing at the last element. So if I is standing at the last element, okay, then will I plus 1 be possible? No, the I plus 1th element will not be there. So what is the point or what is the threshold till where I can have my I? So my I is allowed only till the n minus 2th index. Okay, that is the second last element that is there. So we will start our I from 0 till I is less than equal to n minus 2, because for the n minus 2th element, I will have the I plus 1th element. Okay, but for the last element, I will not have a I plus 1th element. So that is what we need to do here. Let us try and convert our thought process into code quickly. So what we'll be doing here is, we'll simply write the code. So what you can say is, you need to start your I from 0. Then I will be less than equal to n minus 2. Why n minus 2? Because n minus 2 is the second last character, second last element. For the second last element, I will have the last element as the next element. But for the last element, that is n minus 1th element, I'll have no I plus 1th element for that. So that is why we need to run only till the second last element. And now let's do I plus plus. What we'll be doing here is, as it has been said in the question, that ARR of I will be equal to ARR of I or with ARR of I plus 1. That is what we have to do here. And then once this is done, then we'll simply return the array here. Okay. Since we had to do the change in place, so we are not taking any new array. So you can see that the time complexity for our approach will be order of n, because we are just iterating throughout the array, and the space complexity will be constant because we have not used any extra space for this. Let us submit this code to check if it is working fine on all the test cases or not. So you can clearly see that our code was able to pass all the test cases that were given to us. I hope that you have understood this problem. If you understood this problem clearly, please mention clear or understood or +1 in the chat. Thank you for watching this video and keep coding.